In this video we show how to use architectural tools to quickly, simply and precisely design a building project. Let's start by drawing a horizontal and a vertical wall without worrying about their length now. We select the vertical wall and run the copy and paste commands to duplicate it on itself. The duplicate wall remains selected. The 3D window on the right shows the model as we go. In the bottom panel we insert a displacement of 430 centimeters and confirm. We repeat the copy and paste command to duplicate it and, in the bottom panel, we insert a relative displacement of 230 centimeters. We also duplicate this wall with copy and paste. Still using the X field for relative measurements, we move the duplicate wall 430 centimeters. I select and delete the remaining part of the horizontal wall. Now let's do a similar operation for horizontal walls, selecting and duplicating them. We insert a downward displacement of 430 centimeters and confirm. The moved walls automatically join with the vertical walls, using the function of merging and hooking the walls. This is a very important feature that speeds up operations. Now we repeat the operation of selecting, duplicating and moving down 500 centimeters to define the precise way the wall of the house. We select the new wall and connect it with the walls on the right and left with the join and cut function. I select the wall on the right and, from the relative coordinates panel, I move it to the left by 160 centimeters. I transform the remaining piece of wall into a pillar. I change the length. Select two walls and change the thickness 10 centimeters from the wall panel. I insert a wall by tracing it with the mouse. The program automatically creates connections. The building seems to be suspended in the air, so we use a zero-thickness floor element to design the ground around the house. We enter the terrain by clicking on the 4 vertices and ending with the Enter key. We proceed to insert the window frames. We preset windows 145 centimeters high and 120 centimeters wide. We set the centered type to fixed width. Windows of this type are inserted by clicking on the walls. Let's now proceed to insert the doors. I add fixtures to the openings with the parametric fixtures command. I assign the material of the frames and the glass. I set an opening with a distance from the end of 10 centimeters and a width of 80 centimeters. I enter the doors by clicking on the affected walls. The inserted doors can be modified both with the mouse and numerically. A slab with a thickness of 20 centimeters and a height of 290 centimeters is set, all inserted after inserting the stair. The height refers to the upper surface of the slab. Let's proceed to insert a stair. I insert the stair in the desired position and move it to the lower left corner. I assign a material to the steps. A 20 centimeters attic placed at an altitude of 290 centimeters was set. The height refers to the upper part of the slab. I insert the slab by clicking in the corners of the room and finish with the Enter button. If the number of visible treads is greater than the total number, the stair is shown completely. There are various ways of inserting floors. Let's start by using the bucket tool. In Bucket Preferences, Enable generates floors on high walls. By clicking inside each room, the attic is automatically generated. Save the work done up to this point. We insert a small slab for the balcony with the mouse. With a selection rectangle, holding Control on Windows or Command on Mac, I select the house. I run the copy command and, upstairs, the paste command. I can do the same thing to copy this floor upstairs and create the attic floor, where we will also put the roof. I draw a horizontal line to dissect the building. I select the section line and click on the S icon at the bottom right to automatically obtain the section drawing. I select and delete some elements of the attic. We continue the project by adding a gable roof. I draw a rectangle on the outer perimeter of the house. I select the rectangle and expand it by 50 centimeters. I widen the rectangle by 50 centimeters to take into account the eaves. I draw a line in the center of the roof. Set the characteristics of the roof, height in the eaves, materials and slope. I draw the roof with the mouse, starting from the eaves line. I repeat the operation with the other part of the roof. Now I have to adjust the height of the walls so that they go under the slopes of the roof. I use the scissors tool in the palette at the bottom left and choose the active element option. I click on the walls icon to put the walls as active elements. I trace the scissors along the center line of the roof, so as to divide the underlying walls below your part of the roof. I select all the walls on the left and the roof on the left. Click on Walls under Roof to adapt the walls to the slope of the roof. I do the same operations with the walls under the right side of the roof. Here too the walls adapt to the slope of the roof. I draw a line to dissect the building, select it and click on the S icon, to automatically have the section. The project is finished. Now I can navigate around and dento them, generate sections, elevations, axonometries, cutaways, dimensions and much more.